Leads, leads, leads. The most important thing that you need in your real estate team. Hi, my name is Brad Baldwin with Eisenhower Coaching and Consulting, and today I'm going to talk to you about the lead flow chart from getting a lead all the way to the closing table. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. By doing that, we'll make sure that we release free content week after week. If there's a particular topic that you want us to talk about, just comment below on this channel and we'll make sure that we make a video of it. A lot of people in real estate, they talk about leads, lead generation. You'll hear that a lot. Lead generation, prospect, get leads, get leads, get leads. No one ever talks about the follow-up. What do you do after you get that lead? 9 times out of 10, the people that you talk to, that's 90% of the time, they're not buying and they're not selling. I know it's frustrating, but that's the truth. But yet, when you do talk to them, they might have an interest in doing something someday. So what does this lead flow chart look like? Well, I want you to picture a funnel like this, okay? And at the top of the funnel is somebody that's got interest in doing something someday. That's what we call the capture part of the funnel. And as they come through the funnel, we connect with them. Maybe on the phone, maybe on a text, maybe we DM them on Instagram. How are we connected with that lead determines where they go next. And they can only go 2 ways. Number one, they can go out here, and that's to the curb, okay? We'll never talk to that person ever again. Maybe that's somebody that was very rude to us. Maybe it was somebody that, we have no interest in doing business with. It's somebody that maybe we just cannot connect. We can't get them on the phone. We DM'd them on Instagram, 4 years ago. We never returned their call or whatever. That's a curb, okay? That didn't happen very often, but it does happen, okay? The second decision we can make is say, all right, we're going to put this person into a cultivation bin, okay? And in that cultivation bin, I want you to think about a big gunny sack, okay? I'm 41 years old and maybe you don't know what a gunny sack is, but they used to have those with potatoes. And it was like made out of cloth and you carried it around, you carried your potatoes in there. But what I want you to do is take that sack and I want you to fill it full of ping pong balls, okay? And those ping pong balls are leads, okay? And as many leads you put in there, eventually that gunny sack is gonna get full, okay? And that ping pong ball is gonna pop out of that sack and fall onto the ground. And that's your appointment. Okay, so the job of the real estate agent is to collect the leads, okay, connect with them, okay, and based on that conversation that you had when you connect with them, it determines whether they're going to go to the curb or they're going to go in our cultivation bin, okay. In our cultivation bin, that's a lot of things like our seven rule touches, that's our database contact management plan, that's our 2-week assault, that's our pipeline tool that we use. There's many tools that we can use to cultivate that lead, okay? But what you want to examine is the lead process, the lead flow that you have in that nurture process, okay? And rank that on a scale of 0 to 10. And if it's not a 10, that's where your opportunity is. Because remember, we're going to fill it full of leads, okay? But if there's a hole in the bottom of that gunny sack, leads are going to come out there and they're not necessarily going to come out the top. And when they're falling out the bottom, I just want you to picture thousands of dollars that you're throwing away, okay? I know if you've done lead follow-up before, you've called leads up and they've said, oh, I've already bought a house, or yeah, I've already sold a house, okay? Well, there's your opportunity. Your nurture process wasn't there, okay? So after that lead is cultivated for a while, we're going to move into phase 3, and that's when we're going to close for an appointment, handle any objections that we have, and then we're either going to get the home on the market and get it sold, or we're going to have them sign a buyer agency agreement, and we're going to go out and we're going to sell them a house, and they're very pre-qualified. They've been qualified by a lender. We're showing 3 to 5 houses tops, and then they're going to sign a well-written offer, okay, so that person closes. So I want you to think about your highway system for success. And I want you to ask yourself this question. Where in your highway system do you have potholes? Okay, and if you do have potholes, I want you to click the link below therealestatetrainer.com, and sign up for coaching. At least have a one-on-one conversation with us to see what a real estate coach can do with you to make sure that we get those potholes filled and make sure that you're making the money that you deserve. Until next week, live fierce.